right, baby. Round two, fellas. We let the bikes cool down a little bit, let them chill, cause we was running them. But now, time for round two. Oh yeah, dang. This thing feels so... What the world? Oh, look at that screen, boy. GP? Oh. GP? Yeah. Holy crap, this thing feels all kinds of weird. Test it, but we'll do it. Holy crap. I did not give it the beans in first because I haven't rolled this bike, so I don't know what it's gonna do. That was me literally rolling on the throttle. Hey, this thing feels good though. Holy crap. This thing is light. That's fourth gear? Oh my goodness. So this dash is amazing. I wasn't looking at it, but Jesus Christ. It's nice. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That auto blip is disgusting nice. Oh my goodness. And the brakes on this thing is nice too. That rear brake feels amazing. I now see why people buy ZX10s. This thing feels great. I left a little bit harder that time. It did not wheelie. It did not do anything. It just took off. It did a little bunny hop, of course. Oh yeah, boy. Your boy's starting to get comfortable. Let's go. Hey, I like this thing, boy. It feels so smooth. It rides smooth. Oh my goodness. All right, cool. I was about to be mad, boy. This thing, oh my god, holy crap. I can literally smack it now and be, you know, like confident about, you know, smacking it. I like this bike. Hitman. I like it. All right. Hopping on the back.
You on the car. Okay.
Woo. Dang, even this bike feels light. Why is my bike the only one that feels like that? Alright, we on the back, baby. I gotta use Marcus' little feature here. I think this is GP2. Yeah. Everybody's bike feels weird strapped. All this right here feels small. Holy crap, man, let's go! Oh my god! This bike is just full too. Like, what the heck? I think I redlined in like second or third gear, but oh my god! Dude, when you hop on somebody else's bike, bro, it feels completely different. Bro, this and Hitman bike felt good. Like, holy crap! That you just worked on 2 ZX10s. Yo, my dude, Marcus, you doing it like that over here, huh? See, on the ZX10, the rear brake feels fantastic. On this bike, the front brake feels fantastic. It definitely needs some more red. Alright guys, so I think we might be done for today. The other guys went to up to the store to get some gas, but yeah, I think we're gonna chill for the rest of the day. Probably go grab something to eat. You know, I'm happy with the runs. We got enough runs in for the day for me, so I'm good. Oh man, today was fun. Raven showed me what she could do. Like I said, she's gonna need that new sprocket at the house. Everything else feels good. The strap, it doesn't wheelie as bad. It wheelied that one time, just that first or second run we did against Mongus, it wheelied, but that was about it. But everything else feels good. Mongus bike felt really, really well. I like Mongus bike. That GSXR runs. I'm excited to see the rest of his stages for that bike. And then you got Hitman bike felt great. that was my first actual setup ZX10 bike that I've ridden. So, you know, it felt really good. I like the little bunny hop to be doing. But we all got some good setup bikes. They all ran very well today. So, like I said, I'm gonna call this video, or I don't know if I'm gonna split it up in threes or what. Put all the runs together, then probably make one video out of you know, where I hopped on Hitman and Mongoose bike. But we'll see. We got all the bikes right here, but we're gonna gas up, probably grab something to drink, and we'll see what else the day got. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.